Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a couple of practices on how to collect raw data from investigations. So when you're doing this, it's really important, of course, before you actually start your investigation, that you have a good idea of what kind of data you're going to be collecting and what it's going to look like when it's down on a table. Of course, when at IB level, you're going to spend a lot of time analysing this data, so it's important that you arrange it correctly the first time in order to save yourself some time. So what I would always do is make sure that your independent variable goes down here. So in this investigation that we're looking at here, we can put in our independent variable for whatever investigation we're doing. So in this one, let's just take a scenario. We're doing an enzyme-based investigation and you're testing how enzyme concentration affects the amount of product produced. Okay, so I won't take it any more specifically than that. We'll just leave it at that. So here I'm going to want my independent variable, which of course is enzyme concentration, and I'm going to put in brackets there percentage, and I'm going to put down my list of variables. So let's say 0, which should be pure water, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1%. Okay, I'm then going to want my volume of product produced over here, and in brackets I'll have milliliters, and then of course I'm going to have in another brackets the amount of, or the level of precision that I'm measuring that product to. Now of course, if you're using a volumetric cylinder or a measuring cylinder, then it's likely for this sort of experiment you'll be using a very small one that measures to probably the smallest unit would be 1 milliliter, and therefore your level of precision, or your limit of precision, is half the smallest unit of measurement. So in this case it would be plus minus 0.5. Okay, we'll put that in brackets there. Underneath we will put in the trials. So trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, trial 4, trial 5. Now it's important for every IB investigation that you do that you try to get data. Oh, what's going on here? Look, that is what we call 5 by 5. All right, so you've got here 5 repeats with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, probably didn't even need that last one. So we'll always try and go 5 by 5. All right, and that gives you the amount of data that you need to establish a correlation. Okay, so we're going to put this back in brackets. I'm going to make it into a nice looking table, and it should look something like that. Now I'm just going to scroll down here, and again you can see a table, completed table, ready for data input for my investigation. And that's all we're going to do on this experiment for now.